We do not want to get success by ourselves only. On the other word, we willingly want to fail on this area. We willingly want to lose money on this area. I have a solid reason behind this, and I will prove this on this video that we willingly want to lose money on this area. There is a psychological reason. The reason is that we do not want to take the responsibility of our losses. We want to lose money, but we want to blame some other person for the losses. Just assume that today market has been closed. We did a lot of hard work today to make the strategy for tomorrow, to make the trade, to understand the trade for tomorrow. As per our trading plan, each and everything is fine till now. But in the next day, morning, three things will destroy your hard work, your strategy, your plan, each and everything. The three things are, the first things, news channel. We will see news on next day morning and we will change our plan because of news. Useless recommendation. We do not know the impact of these news on our trade. In spite of this, we follow these news. We do not know how old is this news. We do not know anything, but we believe on the news anchor in spite of us. We do not have believe on our hard work. We do not have believe on ourselves. That's why we are doing this nonsense activity. And we see a fraud recently done by the news anchor of biggest news channel of our country. In spite of this, we are taking trade on the behalf of these news channels. It's totally nonsense activity, and this is the first reason. That's why we are losing money in the market. The second reason, we change our plan when our friends suggest any trade. At the same time, we execute the trade without thinking a microsecond. We do not make efforts to see the chart, that where is the stock, what the candle is appearing, what the location is happening, what is the risk reward ratio. We ignore each and everything, and at the same time we take the trade on behalf of our friends. This is the biggest problem. This is the second number biggest problem. That's why we are losing money in the market. And the third one is we change our plan when tip provider will call us to take any trade. We will not think for a second, for a microsecond, and take the trade on behalf of the recommendation. We know that no one have any holy grain strategy, and no one can tell that stock will go in the upside or downside. It's the game of probability. There is no certainty on this process. No one can say with 100% confidence that the stock will go on the upside. So how we can take the trade on behalf of these recommendations? It's a nonsense activity which we are doing in the market. I was a part of this nonsense activity. I experienced a lot of losses in the market because of this nonsense activity. That's why I'm requesting you to please do not do this type of activity, because if you do, then you will lose whatever you have at that time. So it means we are ready to lose money, but we are waiting for the other person so that we can blame the other person for the losses. We know very well that there is no strategy in this world which is 100% effective. Taking trade on behalf of some other person is just like take poison. We know each and everything. We can learn something from the others, but we cannot take a single trade on behalf of other recommendation. And we know that no one is going to take the responsibility for a single rupees only. But we want to blame someone. That's why we are doing this nonsense activity. That's why we are doing losses in the market. That's why we are applying their recommendation on our trading plan. And we are totally responsible for this, because no one is pressing the buy or sell button. We are the person who is making transaction in the market. So we are totally responsible for the trade, but we want to pull this responsibility from ours to others. We want to blame someone for our losses. That's why we are doing this nonsense activity. That's why we are doing losses in the market. And the conclusion is that we do not want to take the responsibility of our money. In our normal life, when we give a few amount to anyone, then we think a lot. But in the market, we take a lot of trade on behalf of other recommendation. Even if we do not know that person, in spite of this, we are taking trade and we are losing a lot of money, and we are blaming to the news channel, we are blaming to our friends, or we are blaming to the tip provider. But on really, we are totally responsible, because no one is making transaction on your terminal. You are the person who is making transaction, so you are totally responsible for your losses. You should not blame to any other person. As per my experience, as per my understanding, you can learn the strategy, that how we can make the strategy. You can learn the process. You can learn the risk management process. You can learn how the professional trader work in the market, how we can take the high probability trade. We can learn that what is the right way to work in the market, but we cannot take any trade. In the starting, we should understand the strategy, then do the backtesting of the strategy. After that, take small lots, and after complete satisfaction, after complete confidence, you can take the normal trade. But you should apply the risk management process with your every trade. This is most important for us. And if you apply this process, then only you can get the success in the market. So don't blame to others for your losses. You are totally responsible for your losses in the market, and it's your hard-earned money. Don't waste your hard-earned money, the lifeline of your family, to R&D in the market. Understand the process and do as per your knowledge only. This is the only way to get success in this area. So I hope you understand that we are totally responsible, but we want to pull the responsibility to others. That's why we are doing this activity. And now you understand that what is the psychology behind not taking the responsibility. So I hope you learn something new on this video, and you will apply the concept on your trading plan. And at the end of the video, I again want to make focus on this, that please believe on yourself, please be a disciplined trader, please be try to understand, try to learn the professional way to work in the market. Then only you can save your money, because in the market it's our prime responsibility that we should save our money. We should take the high probability trade. On any of the trade, our losses should be minimum and our profit should be maximum. So thank you guys. I hope you learn something new and you will apply all this in your trading plan. You will do professional trading in spite of gambling. So thank you very much, and best of luck for your trading journey. Thank you.